I want to introduce you to my friend Bert-Ola. Bert-Ola is the master connector of the world on Facebook. He's a gatekeeper of the connectors. He connects to only the biggest connectors in the world. Bert-Ola is from Sweden. He's from a remote part of Sweden, and he speaks Russian, Swedish, and English. I don't know if any other languages he also, maybe German also, because he lived in Vienna for a year. He helps connect people from all around the globe, and he keeps an eye on them, and he helps them succeed using the power of Facebook, using the power of social media. And he is, as I said, the master connector of the world. And if you're connected to him, you will definitely learn the best techniques of networking through him. Follow him on Facebook.